Good morning. This is Miss Shirley O.G. Gardner here in Skagway, Alaska. Look at this, y'all. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? Look at the sun coming up over. We got all kinds of mountains, and we also have all kinds of other cruise liners that are coming in as well. Look at that. That's just majestic. This one I can see is Norwegian. Check it out. And this is us. We have docked in Skagway, Alaska. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll have more videos to come as we go through our day. And the mountains right back up in there. Snow cap. Oh, it didn't come out clear. But there you go, trying to focus. It's awesome. All right, y'all. Have a good day. I know I'm going to enjoy mine. And as I always say, y'all come back now. You hear?